got nothing to lose. Oh my, gonna shake it off. It ain't no thing, it ain't no thing. Oh my, doing what I want. Gonna do my thing, do my thing. Way up high and take it low. I'm feeling right from head to toe. Light it up and let it
Finally pulling into Dominica. 365 rivers, dozens of waterfalls, and active volcanoes. Can't wait to explore this island. Welcome to Dominica, an independent Commonwealth country of the Lesser Antilles in the eastern Caribbean Sea. It lies between two French islands of Guadeloupe and Martinique. To land on Dominica's sandy shores, point your heading to around 15 degrees north and 61 degrees west. Dominica is globally renowned for its spectacular scenery and is actually often called the nature island of the entire Caribbean. Needless to say, it has impressed nature lovers beyond belief for generations. Lucky for us ocean dwellers, dramatic walls, vibrant reefs, and deep water can be found close to shore. These features also make for some of the most remarkable dive sites in the whole region. However, after Hurricane Maria passed, many of the trails were completely destroyed and left to overgrow. Therefore, if you're heading out into the bush, be well prepared. Where it's a bit tricky, parts are maintained well, parts are abandoned. Butterflies everywhere. It is the most forested island in the region and has an immense amount of biodiversity across its uniquely vast landscapes. The island is 29 miles, or 47 kilometers long, and has a maximum width of 16 miles, or 26 kilometers. Pick a little bit extra for Nimble. He's gonna go crazy. Perhaps the most fascinating thing about the entire island is the wildlife that can handle its 290 square miles of crazy terrain. Its various habitats home many endemic species, like the exceptionally rare parrots and hummingbirds, and larger mammals like this agouti here. We've officially made it to the Emerald Pool, one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites here in Dominica. Time to jump in! Here we are at the boiling mud. Looks beautiful. Smells like Chris in the morning. So over by that blue house in the distance is where the road fell out. And this whole segment right here, you have to hike and hold on to the rock edge. Hold on to the plants so that way you don't fall all the way down there. Good news is we found the other side of the road. So this whole thing must have washed out in a storm, because it looks like the end of the road over here is actually pretty new, so it might have been from Hurricane Maria. The Morne Trois Pitons National Park is home to the volcanically heated, steam-covered boiling lake. The park also encompasses sulfur vents the 65-meter-tall Trafalgar Falls, and narrow T2 Gorge. We highly recommend taking a tour guide as much as possible and hitting up as many farmers markets along the way. Attempts to rebuild after Hurricane Maria have been successful, and plans to make Dominica the first fully self-sufficient island in the Caribbean are in progress. While we were there, the ban of single-use plastics was already well underway, and the community paradigm is noticeably shifting hard to greener alternatives. After 2 long weeks staying in Dominica, we finally are leaving and going to Martinique. However, we could stay another 2 weeks here. Hopefully we'll come back and explore again. Anyone in this area, do not miss Dominica. Thanks for watching another episode of Between Sun and Sea. We hope you enjoyed, and until next time, in Martinique, go have fun.